Hi everybody, just want to review here before we put a replacement window in. The house we're dealing with is our house, which is an old plank house. And some people are familiar with plank houses, probably most people aren't. We've studded up on the inside walls so we can have a conventional setup as far as electrical and insulation. And what this is going to require is to extend the jamb from our framed walls that are already set on the inside to the exterior and integrate the framed walls into the plank wall. The plank wall, which is going to probably, our jamb is probably going to be 7 to 9 inches wide after we're done. And then we're going to put our replacement window in and finish our sill. And we're probably going to just do a time lapse on that, and we can talk about different points after we get that done. So the rough opening is fairly complete. The thing left to do right now is to create the sill plate, and I left an extra inch on the rough opening of my inside frame so that I could create a sill plate and have enough room to have finished trim that will go over top of the sill plate after the window's actually in place. So what we've done here is we've fashioned shims with a taper on them so that our sill plate, which is made out of a 5/4 board that's planed down to actually 3/4, so that we have a little taper so that any of the rain that blows up against the window will go out instead of into the window. So when this board was planed down to 3/4, our shim thickness on the back side is approximately 1/4. The 5/4 board, which is a finished dimension of 1 inch, when that sill is tapered in where we want the taper to be, it'll line up pretty close to the 5/4 board, which is 1 inch. So we're going to proceed with getting our sill plate made, and then we're going to do a time lapse of getting the window mounted and shimmed up and foamed and sealed in place.